You don't want to take a picture of it, do you?
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Thursday. Came to my mechanics to check up on my cars, getting a little tune up, and I'm here with Ro. We're gonna go for a little bike ride, so see you in a bit. John! Johnny!
You just come out from Hawaii.
I come bike riding. Come out, look at my bike.
Oh man.
This is it. And then my buddy. We can bring it in. Can we bring it in and charge it up a little bit?
Huh?
Can bring it in, charge it up a little bit?
Sure.
You want to roll it in?
Yeah, wait.
This is my friend Ro. This is John. Let's go roll it in then.
Holy Michael.
So his is a Harley Davidson edition. We built it like Harley Davidson.
Yeah.
So the colors, and we use some Harley parts like grips. These are from Harley Davidson.
It looks cool, man.
Yeah, it looks like a motorcycle.
You gotta try it. You gotta ride it.
Yeah.
Oh, give me a car too.
You build bikes?
Yeah, we built them.
Give me a car.
Yeah.
You build any for like around couple thousand? Or
If you want, you supply your own bicycle, and we convert to electric.
Okay.
We'll do that.
I'll talk to you.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get something.
For sure. For sure.
Then I get a buddy in the building. He wants one too.
Nice. Sit on it. See how I feel like.
Oh, it looks good to me.
Yeah. Hey, look. You look sharp, Johnny.
This one, yeah, I feel good.
You look like $1 million
yeah.
on a bike.
This is cool.
Yeah. So much fun.
Yeah, man.
So much fun.
This feels good.
Yeah. It feels like a motorcycle, right?
I feel good. This
yeah.
feel like a.
You should get one too.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to say.
We'll build you one too. The Johnny version.
You can come riding.
Yeah, come ride with us.
Then when I have money, I'll get one. No problem. You don't want to take a picture of it, do you?
Huh?
Mind if I take a picture?
Go ahead. Take a picture.
Fully electric.
It's crazy.
Wow. Bike is very. So it's all electric. No
It's all electric.
wire or anything?
No. Those wires, but they're hidden.
Oh. So it doesn't have any brake problems or?
No, it's got crazy brakes.
This. Wow, look at that. Mind if I take a picture of your bike too, pal?
Yeah, no problem.
I'll do it red color.
You make this stuff?
This is a
lime green?
yeah, it's a candy green. This is a Harley Davidson.
You guys are pretty good with your bikes.
Thank you. So you guys in the Vancouver area in Hastings by Gilmore, come visit my friend John.
Yeah, check out his
Check out the shop, man. He's a cool guy. Support the locals. Okay, guys, we're gonna head off to Burnaby Mountain. So hope you enjoy the view. Okay guys, we're at top of Burnaby Mountain. Check out this beautiful view. Yeah, it's beautiful BC. Views on views. Here's the restaurant over there, Canada flag, some totem poles over there. Here, I can give you a card. We built these.
Oh, you built them?
Yeah.
Wow. How is it like there? Is it comfortable? Like you're riding it, you're...
Yeah, I'm comfortable. It's my style. We saw it customizable to you, so I like it like this. Yeah. Some people like that style. Is more comfortable like that.
Oh yeah, I think I'd try it.
That'll be your style.
But yeah, handlebars up like that.
Yeah.
And they electric assist?
Yeah.
Yeah, fully electric.
2 weeks if we have all the parts.
But you can still ride it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's you can pedal it too.
So it is all electric.
Yeah, all electric. And they go 80 kilometers per hour.
80?
Yeah.
Get out.
No, I'm not lying to you.
Oh, yeah.
Check out this view, guys. Beautiful.
Where are you guys going to? Where are you? Oh, West Broadway then. Oh, West Broadway.
What's the range of it?
Range?
What range? Yeah.
About 50 kilometers, give or take.
Oh, you
Here, I'll give you a card.
Yeah, you built it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
Yes, sir.
Oh, my goodness. Eh? Yeah. That's beautiful.
Thank you.
Business.
Yeah.
Take this one.
Yeah.
But don't need the tail end of it.
The tail end, pull from the tail end.
Just this
Peel it off. Yeah, that's it. Yeah,
this
pull it
doesn't
out,
have-
take it
yeah,
off.
Doesn't have much taste, I think.
Eat the insides.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, this is so good. Holy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's the rest of the skin you can eat, but this part you can eat.
Oh, this part.
Yeah. And this is it's a stuff that you can throw.
I give you a serviette.
Yeah, thank you.
Become Muslims and start wearing them after they become Muslims.
Mm. Wow.
Yeah, that's right.
I've never had this like this.
Okay, guys, I end the vlog now. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
6 in the morning, smokers at my door. 6 in the morning, smokers at my door.